In this video, you are going to see how to make a pie chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. As you can see here, let's get started. To insert a pie chart, go to Insert, go to Chart and go to Pie and choose this 3D pie and click on OK. Let us close it. If you want, you may change the style from here. But the pie chart is not using my data. So if I want to give my data over here, click on over here, go to edit data. Now we need to change the data from here. I have my own data, name and sales. Let us copy it, go to over here and paste it over here like this. Then my data will be imposed over here. Now let us close this. Now click on over here. If you want to change the style, if you can change it from here very easily. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.